Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, we're showing you how to move an object here in 3ds Max. All right, so for example, we have this chopper right here. It got multiple objects. If I want to move it all, I'm just going to make sure that everything is selected and then just press W. Okay, here we have the X, Y, and Z axes. All right, so just hold on these points and just drag it just like so. Y right here and Z. Okay. So another option, for example, I'm going to move this body right here. Same goes here. Y, Z, X. Okay. And Y. Now Control Z to undo changes, of course. And if you want to be more precise, just select an object from here or in the left panel. For example, this alpha right here. You have these coordinates right here. You can just use this one, hold and drag. All right, hold and drag, hold and drag. Or you could go ahead and right click on the object. Now here we have the move tool. Click on this cute icon. Okay, so just click on it. And type down the absolute value right here, the offset value. Or you can just go ahead and again, hold and drag. All right, there you have it. That's how simple it is to move an object here in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.